Good morning, class. Welcome to week 9 of English 111. Today, we're going to begin our third and final essay of the semester. This essay is a research paper. You are going to explore a social issue and take a position on that social issue. So let's go ahead and I'm going to do a basic introduction to the module. So if we go to our Blackboard shell and to your announcements, here is your Monday memo for Monday, November 8th. That's today. Welcome to Module 3. This particular announcement is pretty dense. I want you to spend some time looking it over. And right up front, I have here in purple text the 4 basic things that you're going to need to do over the next couple of days. On Wednesday, you have an assignment due. You need to turn in your topic development worksheet. It can be found in your Module 3 due folder, and that's due Wednesday night. And by Sunday, on the 14th, you can have a couple of other things due. So let's just get into covering this Module 3. So if we go ahead on our sidebar here and click on Module 3, you're going to get your folders. So you have your usual folders, your read, your watch, your do, then your rough draft submission, your final draft, and then your business letter submission links. But you also have this folder up here called Research Guide Information. This is going to be where you find all your helpful links to get your research for this research paper. So you have the first one is it's called Essay 3 Topic Databases, and here gives you your links to your New York Times, your opposing viewpoints, and your issues and controversies. And then your second link is to your library research guide. That's your Coastal Carolina Library for the social issues essay. So that is something we're going to cover later on this week on Wednesday. I will have a whole post covering this particular tab. All right. So then if we go ahead and click on our read folder, under this folder is all of your readings and your worksheets. So here's your assignment sheet, your rubric, and all of the worksheets and helpful handouts that you're going to need. Then your watch folder has video links. There is a PowerPoint. I'm going to cover that in the next video, and I'll post that to today's announcement as well. You're going to want to go through this PowerPoint both in the video and then on your own. Then you will need to watch this particular Picking Your Topic is Research video and your research guide video this week. So you've got several things to watch this week. And finally, your due folder contains the links to submit your homework. So it's all organized by due date. Again, you've got a worksheet that's due Wednesday by midnight. This is to help you start to think about the topic you want to write on. Then by Sunday, you need to submit the final topic you want and then some source approval worksheets. So I want to know that you've been doing some research this week. Then you'll see as you go through, you've got a few other items due between now and the final due date, which is December 3rd. All right, let's go back to our announcement. So your purple information tells you what is the priority for this week. Today's mini lesson is writing an academic summary. So you have to do research this week. Part of choosing your topic is researching on your topic. You need to be able to start to find some articles to help you narrow your topic and discover whether it's a topic that is current, whether you can find sources on it. So you will turn in by Sunday several source summaries. So this week you're going to practice writing summaries. Summary is a condensed retell of an original text. So you are going to basically be following this guideline 1 through 9 on you have to turn in, I believe, 3 sources by the end of the week. So for each source, you're going to follow these steps. You need to identify the author, give me something important. Why is this person writing this article? What kind of expert is this author of your article? What is the text? Where is it published? Then what is the purpose of the text? Tell me the topic. Then you need to identify the introduction and write a sentence. That bottom line is that introduction. Then you're going to look at your body paragraphs. You are going to write one sentence to represent each section of the body so that when you go back and reassess your sources, you know what this source was telling you. Finally, you are going to encapsulate the conclusion in one sentence, and then you're going to do an MLA in-text reference for this particular source. So let's go ahead and recap what you need to do this week. You're going to read the assignment sheet and rubric. Then you're going to watch the Essay 3 Introduction PowerPoint. You're going to watch the Topic Ideas PowerPoint. Then you're going to watch 2 videos. One video is picking your topic as research, and the other video is how to write a summary. They will be at the top of your video watch folder. And by Wednesday night, you're going to submit 2 topics that you think you might like to explore. So you want to think about a couple of different topics, because as you go through and start to read in your databases, you might discover you like one more than the other, or one has more information. And then Sunday, your topic and source approval worksheet are going to be due. All right, so I'm going to say goodbye, and I'm going to do a video on the PowerPoint, so you can look for that video to come up in your feed.